Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add products and co-products equation in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to add products and co-products equation. Go to the insert menu. Then click the equation drop down menu. Then click the insert new equation. Then click the box and go to the design menu. Then select the large operation drop down menu and choose the products and co-products equation. Then write text on the equation. Now we can see we add or edit the products and co-products equation very easily. Please like, comment, subscribe and my channel. Thanks for watching.